हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, सब्स्टिट्यूशन के इस लास्ट लेक्चर में आपका स्वागत है। और अब हम इसके अंदर जो भी हमारे पास रिमेनिंग डिफिकल्ट प्रॉब्लम्स हैं वो सॉल्व करेंगे। तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन इंटीग्रेशन साइन एक्स डिवाइड बाई साइन एक्स माइनस ए डी एक्स। हम क्या करते हैं, ऑलमोस्ट 99% टाइम नीचे वाले को पुट करते हैं, क्योंकि नीचे वाले को पुट करने के बाद हम ऊपर वाले को ओपन कर सकते हैं, सेपरेट कर सकते हैं। लेकिन अगर हम ऊपर वाले को पुट करेंगे तो हम इसको सेपरेट करके कुछ गेन नहीं कर पाएंगे, इसलिए मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हम इसको पुट करेंगे। तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं बेटा, x माइनस ए को हमने पुट कर दिया t। दिस इम्प्लाइज दैट x इक्वल टू a प्लस टी। ओके, differentiating with respect to x, dx equal to derivative of a 0 and this will become dt. So this question reduces to integral sine of, what is the value of x, a plus t, value of dx is dt, all divided by sine of t, and the integration will depend upon sine of a plus t upon sine of t. And we know that formula of sin a plus b is sin a into cos of b plus cos a sin of b, and separating simultaneously dt divided by sin t dt. And we can see that from here cot t upon यहाँ पे क्या आ गया, cot t, और ये sin a इंटीग्रल के बाहर आ गया, तो ये हो गया cot t dt प्लस sin t कैंसिलिंग आउट, cos of a comes out of the integral, and we know that integral of the cot t is log sin t plus integral of t into cos of a. Now what is the value of t? X minus a. This will become sine of a log of sine x minus a plus x minus a cos of a. Similar process will accepted here, and this question comes in 2019 and 2013 CBSE, where again I will tell you that we have to substitute x minus a equal to t. X minus a equal to t, x equal to a plus t, okay, dx equal to dt. Okay, so let us start. Integration sine of, what is the value of x, a plus t plus a dx having the value dt divided by sine of x minus a has value t. This will become 2a plus t. Again opening up the formula, sine a cos b cos a sin b. I have written a and a 2a simultaneously. Sin of t separating dt, again sin of t cancelling out cots, this will become the cot t. So integration sin 2a comes out of the integral, this will become cot t dt. Cos of 2a comes out of the integral 1 dt. What is the value of cot t? Again sin 2 into log sin t plus cos 2a into, what is the value of 1 t plus c. You can substitute the value t, x minus a. And next two questions are very similar. So I will discuss one question here and one you have to solve in your specific manner. Okay, so here we can see if we add 1 and subtract 1, this will become similar. separating the things, we can have their base are same, so this will becomes 1 plus sin x raised to power 1 by 2. Okay, that means under root minus integration 1 upon 1 plus sin x. Now we are having the two choices. Either we can convert all these things into the cos x and get our required answer, or look, we can write it 1 plus cos 90 minus x. Similarly, this can be written as cos 90 minus x dx. Okay. One plus cos theta 2 cos square angle half. Again integration 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square angle half pi by 4 minus x by 2 dx. From here root 2 comes out, integration cancelling out square to root, this will become cos pi by 4 minus x by 2 plus 1 by root 2 comes out, cancelling out square to root, and this will become integration secant pi by 4 minus x by 2 dx. Here the integration of the cos x is sin pi by 4 minus x by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2. Similarly 1 by root 2 into integration of log of x, secant x is log of secant x minus tan x, or log of secant x minus tan x divided by minus 1 by 2. However, the answer can vary. If you put 1 as sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 and sin x equal to 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2, but both the solutions are same. Now proceeding in the similar manner, this and this problem is very similar, so we are starting here 16 part 1, integration 1 minus x square e raised to power x plus 1 by x dx. Substituting x plus 1 by x equal to t, differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of x is 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, dx equal to dt. So its value is dt, and this will become e raised to power t. And what is the integration of e raised to power t? E raised to power t plus c, and value of t is x plus 1 by x plus c. Coming on the second part of the 16th question, substitute it as t. Log of x plus 1 minus log of x equal to t, differentiating with respect to x. What is its integration? So derivative 1 upon x plus 1 minus 1 upon x dx equal to dt. Taking LCM, this will become x into x plus 1, cancelling out x plus 1, x minus 1 dx equal to dt, cancelling out this. So dx upon x into x plus 1 becomes minus dt. So from here this will becomes minus t dt. Integration of this is t square by 2. Substituting the value of t, we can have this log of x plus 1 minus log of x whole square by 2 plus c. For this question I am providing the hint: multiply by 1 by root 2 and divide by 1 by root 2. Here this 1 by root 2 becomes the cos 45, this 1 by root 2 becomes sin 45, and solve again. Please solve this problem and send me in the comment box. Thanks.